Hello everyone and welcome back to the Glow Up Diaries on Style by Mimi. I'm Mimi, and if you haven't been here before, I talk all things beauty, fashion, style, DIY, and occasionally I will vlog. This video is about my glow up for my 46th birthday that's coming up soon. And if you watched the first installment, then you'll know I did this beautiful roller set only 2 days ago. And it's an extreme fail. As you can see, I tried to save it with some finger coiling and that also failed on this side. So I've got like ringlets and then weird bits and pieces that are sticking up strangely. And this is going to be restyled in the way I always style my hair with my bounce curl brush. So I'm going to wash, condition, and style just as I did previously. Except for the deep conditioner, I'm not deep conditioning again. It's only 2 days ago. So I'm just going to wash it, condition it, moisturize, and I will be back to show you how I use my bounce curl brush to get the style that I do. And I'm also going to show you how I diffuse my hair. So, I'll see you. Okay, I'm back, and as you can see, I styled all my hair with my beautiful bounce curl brush, which is my favorite tool to define my curls. And I have done everything except this one little split piece right here, so I can show you how to use this bounce curl brush. So first, I'm going to wet this piece because my hair does best when it's very, very wet. And work that through. And next, I'm going to use what's left of my new Studio Line Clean Gel by L'Oreal. I used about half of this yesterday trying to roll my hair, and I'm using what's left today. So, 2 uses for that isn't bad because I use a lot of gel in my hair. I know I have enough gel on each section when it feels sticky and slippy from root to ends. Then I use my brush. Flip it at the end and then scrunch. And now it's diffuser time, so I'll be right back to show you how I diffuse. I like to use this Conair Curls and Coils blow dryer. This is probably the quietest blow dryer I've ever used. I've got the one for kinky coily hair with the diffuser attachment. These are sold separately, I believe. I think I got a special on this. I'll have to look that up. But this has off, low, and high. So I like to use low. The low power setting, but I like to use hot. Let's see, what is this? Okay, so I have this on hot and low power, and I'm going to do diffuse now. Okay, it's done. And I love this new Clean Line hair gel. My hair is still a little damp in some spots, but it'll dry on its own. I'm not worried about it. And it looks phenomenal. I mean, look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? It's so pretty. And yeah, and this is first day hair, so you can imagine what it's gonna look like as it matures and shrinks and grows and just gets beautiful. I love it. Okay, I am completely happy with that hair gel, and I am glad with the way my hair turned out in this wash and go and define. So that's it. That's it. This is my hair with my new hair gel, and I think my glow up is going well because my hair looks gorgeous. So I will talk to you later. If you like this kind of video, please give me 2 thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And I'm done. Bye-bye.